This story is a mystery behind the beauty of the ocean. Ali lived in Southeast England. He loved the ocean because he watched film documentaries. Even when he was 22 years old, he managed to make a film documentaries. But his vision changed after finding the death of his animal in United Kingdom because of plastic, which are very helpful for humans to absorb carbon dioxide of phytoplankton. With floating trash, he wrote petition and newsletter, but this effort not successful. He is also trying to become a plastic policeman and donate as much as possible to clean beaches, using his own plates to eat and bottle to reduce plastic. He saw the news in Tokyo was going to hunt whales despite the 1986 international ban, but they were hiding. Ali goes to Taiji with his friend, make a film documentary. In Taiji, the police were very watchful. Ali went to the harbor and saw 13 ships hunting violently. Every day, Ali saw this happen and he was curious about the reason they killed the marine animals, but the reason given were not believed by Ali. Ali went to Katsura, South Japan. He found a rare tuna, less than 3% left in the world being hunted. And being interviewed, the tuna company is Mitsubishi, but they refused. He also saw sharks being hunted for their fins and made into shark fin soup in Hong Kong. But strangely, this illegal is still labeled in seafood. Ali has tried to interview the certifier but no response. But after being investigated, it turned out there is an illegal form of cooperation. Next, Ali interviewed the Earth Island Institute as a tuna certifier, but the interviewers seemed to have doubt about the answer when asked for information in the interview. And the next, the organization interview is Plastic Pollutant Coalition, which states 50% of marine debris is fishing nets. But here it is also discussed. The Deepwater Horizon oil spill in the Gulf of Mexico is also a marine pollutant that causes the death of marine animals. With regard to sustainable fisheries, the proposed way to deal with all of this is stop consuming fish, according to the Oceana Office. But that was deemed unreasonable. Then Ali contacted the authorities and arranged a meeting with the European Commissioner for Fisheries and the Environment will issue a ban on single-use plastic. But the answer, it just make Ali more confused. Then he went to Monrovia, Liberia, West Africa, with the sea shepherd to cast and aboard a fishing boat watching a never-before-seen species die. After leaving Liberia, Ali went to Scotland, which is a salmon producer. There he saw salmon died because of anemia, fleas, infectious disease, chlamydia, and heart disease. The color of salmon is gray. That is not fresh, and this has something to do with slavery, which is the same things in Thailand. There are shrimp that come from slavery. Ali interviewed one of the victims of slavery in Thailand, and he said he was depressed. But first, they had fun with his captain and turned violent. When they were tired of working, they were doused with hot water and threatened with a gun. Some are thrown into the sea and drowned in case of trouble. They only care about eating. In the Faroe Islands, Ali saw whales being slaughtered sadly and thought these fish feel pain even though their senses work very well. This movie explains the selfishness of humans toward nature, especially the sea, as a research that has wealth. And then, the message is that humans should not be greedy in their use, especially if they damage the ecosystem, because they have the same tasks as living creatures.